today we will continue surface areas and volumes on the formula. So till right circular cylinder we did. So today we will start from cone. So cone. So it is a cone, solid figure cone. So it has radius, height and slant height L. So it is 90 degree perpendicular. First we will calculate the slant height of cone by using Pythagoras theorem. Slant height of cone L equals to root under h square plus r square. So it is Pythagoras theorem. Now we will calculate the curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone is the perimeter of base. What is the perimeter of base? So this is the perimeter of semicircle, not a circle. This is a perimeter of semicircle. If you have semicircle, now it is folded from the middle. It is folded here, and this point to here you get cone. So this portion is this. This portion is this semicircular perimeter of semicircular part. Perimeter of semicircle is this. So curved surface area of cone is this portion is pi r. Now into L, slant height. So this equals to pi r L. Now total surface area equals to curved surface area plus area base. Now it is circle. Pi r L plus pi r square. Area of base is circle. So pi r is common. L plus r. This is 1, 2, 3. And last one is volume of cone. Volume of cone equals to area of base into height. Area of base into height. Pi r square into h. But so cone is 1/3 of the cylinder by volume. If you cut one cylinder into 3 equal parts, will be the volume of each cone. Each part will be the volume of cone. If you cut cylinder into 3 equal parts, then you will get 3 equal cones. So what is the volume of the cylinder? Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So 1/3 part is cone. So that's why we will multiply here 1/3. So 1/3 pi r square h is the volume of cone, because the 1/3 part of the cylinder is cone. So volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So this is the case of cone, right circular cone. It is also called right circular cone. Right circular cone. Now move to sphere. Okay, sphere. It is a sphere. So it has a radius. Radius r. So we know that in circle the complete angle is 360 degree. Complete angle is 360 degree. In terms of radian it is 2 pi. So 360 degree equals to 2 pi. You have to remember this. 360 degree is 2 pi. So in sphere, one angle is rotational angle and another angle is revolutionary angle. So rotational angle is 360 degree and revolution angle is also 360 degree. So we have to multiply it by 2. So this equals to 2 into 360 means 2 pi equals to 4 pi. Now we need to calculate the surface area. Surface area of sphere. In sphere, curved surface and the total surface area are same. So all the surfaces are curved. That's why curved surface and total surface are same. So simply we will write the surface area of sphere is 4 pi into square of the radius. 4 pi into square of the radius is 4 pi r square. So next is volume. Volume of sphere equals to 1/3 of the radius into surface area of the sphere. 1/3 of the radius into surface area of the sphere gives the volume of the sphere. So this equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now next one is hemisphere. Hemisphere. So it is the half of the sphere. Hemisphere is the half of the sphere. Hemisphere. So it has radius r. It has radius r. So in hemisphere there are two surfaces. One is curved, another is lateral. So flat surface is lateral surface. First we will calculate the curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere is, this is the half the surface area of sphere. So half of 4 pi r square is, it is 2 pi r square. Now again we have to calculate the total surface area. Total surface area is, now this part is curved surface. Curved surface is this part. So this part plus this part will give the total surface area of hemisphere. So this part is 2 pi r square plus, now this flat surface is pi r square because it is in the shape of circle. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square is 3 pi r square. Now it is the surface, total surface area of hemisphere. Now last one is volume. Volume of hemisphere equals to, it is the half of the volume of sphere. So we will multiply with half. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we can cut this to 2 1 2 2 2 4. So this equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the formulas of surface areas and volumes. So frustum part, frustum of cone is removed from the syllabus from this year. So we have to learn up to this. for calculation. Okay, this much for today. From next class we will start the exercise of this chapter. Thank you.